Hello everybody. In this segment we're going to talk about some flamenco technique. We'll start with the compas. The compas that we're going to talk about is the compas that we're going to use in the future for Bulerias. For the time being, we're just going to learn a few flamenco exercises and superimpose them over this compas as a means of preparing ourselves for doing a Bulerias in the future. So we're going to talk about a compas, a Bulerias compas, which has 12 steps in it, 12 points. Basically, we've talked a little bit about counting to 4 in some of our previous exercises, previous segments, and in this case, we're going to count to 12. And there's going to be some other topics in this series of segments that I'm going to do, so I'm going to give you a heads up on that. Basically, we're going to talk about golpe. We're going to talk about rasgueado. We're going to talk about rumba as well, different styles of playing, and they'll all be part of this these upcoming segments that I'm going to do. And if there's interest, I'll do more in this area. Okay, so we'll start with these topics, and we'll expand from there. So basically, the compas, the way it's counted. There's different ways we can count it. There's different ways we can learn it, okay? Basically, the compas, we will normally start counting at 12, all right? So that might be a bit challenging, and then I'll explain it to you a different way, an easier way afterwards. But I'll try and give you something authentic at the beginning, which would be to count from 12, start at 12. So we'll go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's the way traditionally it's counted. The accents are essentially the first beats when I split up the timing a few minutes ago. So we'll do it again. 12 is an accent. So 12, 1, 2. 3 is an accent. 3, 4, 5. 6 is an accent. 6, 7. 8, 9. 10, 11. So the 8 and the 10 are accents as well. Okay, now I don't want to confuse you with other ways of counting, but there are actually ways you can count that are simpler. So you can count, if you'd like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, I'm going to stick to the traditional way for a bit, but if you choose, you can do it a simpler way. We're going to start off with an A minor chord. All right. And we're going to go with the index finger, traditional flamenco style, and basically, you know, like you're flicking away a spitball or something here. All right, you just strike across the strings with your index finger. Okay. Normally, I'll keep my thumb on the 6th string when I'm playing this kind of music. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm flicking on the accents, okay? I just counted the easier way for many people. Now I'm going to count the more traditional way. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right. Now we're going to add a couple of other techniques to this to make it a little bit more interesting. So we're going to add golpe, which is basically hitting the guitar with your finger, like so. All right. I'm using my ring finger for this type of golpe. There's different types of golpe, different fingers that can be used depending on the application. You'll be using golpe in many songs. It's a very fundamental move. You need to master it to be able to do this kind of music. We'll just give a brief talk about the different types of golpe that you'll encounter. Okay, so basically in this particular case we're going to use the index and we're going to strike down the golpe at the same time. In Bulerias, that's quite common. In other types of music, rumba for example, you will use the thumb, okay? So essentially you will strike with the thumb going down, and you'll do a golpe at the same time. So those are two types of golpe that you're going to encounter. Another type of golpe, you will, using your index finger, you'll actually strike on this side of the strings. You'll strike here. So I'll use a chord that uses the sixth string. You're hitting on this side of the guitar, and then you're striking the strings. You're following through with the rest of the strings. Alright, so that's three types of golpe that you'll encounter. There's other moves that we'll see in the upcoming episodes, how to use what's called the bridge. There's a stop that you'll use in rumba. And I think that's where we'll stop our discussion of golpe for the time being, and we'll continue on with the discussion of the compas that we were doing. And once again, we're using the ring finger to hit the guitar. We're striking the strings with the index, okay? And we're doing that on the accented notes, okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Counting it in the more traditional manner. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll do it slower, try and follow. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, practice that a little bit. Then we can add a few chords, okay? So the chords, you've seen them in a previous episode at least one time. We're going to use A minor, G, F, and E. Alright, and we're going to find that chord progression is used in a number of the segments. It's used in the Andalusian cadencia, which we're going to talk about as well in an upcoming episode. So basically 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now we're going to upgrade a little bit and add upstrokes with the index. Okay, so 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So essentially what we're doing with the index is down, up, up, down, up, up, and then down, up, down, up, down, up. And I'll count that. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now adding the golpe. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we'll just play a little bit, okay, with adding in the chords.